Eye Luna, a sleek black cat with bright green eyes, lounges in a sunbeam on a windowsill in her cozy human home. Luna stretches gracefully, then meticulously grooms her fur, showing her typical feline routine of cleanliness and self-care. Through the window, Luna notices a friendly golden retriever mix named Max exploring the neighborhood garden. Luna's curiosity is sparked as she watches Max interact with birds and butterflies, her tail twitching with interest, inciting incident. The window screen accidentally pops open when Luna jumps on it, and she tumbles out into the garden below, discovers she's outside for the first time without her human, then nervously meets who turns out to be a friendly dog named Max. Max wags his tail enthusiastically and says, "Want to see the real wonders of the wild? I know all the best secret places." After a moment of hesitation, Luna nods and follows Max as they both venture beyond the garden fence into the wilder areas. Act II, Rising Action. Luna and Max enter a lush forest ecosystem where sunlight filters through the canopy onto diverse plant life. Max explains how trees provide homes for animals and create the oxygen we all need, while Luna shares what she knows about climbing trees as a cat. Luna demonstrates her natural climbing ability by scaling a large oak tree, pointing out different creatures she spots from above. Suddenly, dark clouds gather and thunder rumbles as a storm moves in, forcing the friends to seek shelter under a rocky overhang. While waiting out the storm, woodland creatures emerge to explain how different animals adapt to weather changes. After the storm passes, they must cross a rushing stream to reach the meadow on the other side, showing cooperation between cat and dog. They reach a vibrant meadow ecosystem filled with wildflowers and tall grasses, buzzing with pollinators and other insects. Max points out how different plants depend on pollinators to reproduce, while Luna demonstrates her hunting abilities on a field mouse. As they continue exploring, they spot a hawk soaring above, creating tension as Luna instinctively tries to hide. Max quickly guides Luna to the safety of a dense thicket, explaining predator-prey relationships in the ecosystem. Their journey leads them to discover a baby rabbit trapped in a farmer's fence, crying for help. Climax working together, Luna carefully gnaws through the wires, while Max supports the weakened rabbit, freeing it from the fence. The grateful rabbit family appears, thanking the unlikely friends and sharing secrets about underground tunnels in the meadow. The animal friends explain how different species help each other in surprising ways, teaching about ecosystem interconnections. As the sun begins to set, they realize it's time to head back, but not before sharing one last moment in the meadow. Night falls as they begin their return journey, learning about nocturnal animals from creatures they meet along the way. After many adventures, Luna and Max grow comfortable with their unlikely friendship, sharing stories of their respective worlds. Act III, Resolution. With the rising sun, Luna and Max begin their journey back to Luna's home at the edge of the wild spaces. They say goodbye to the animal friends they've made, with promises of future meetings in the spaces between domestic and wildlife. As they walk, Luna shares what she's learned about the importance of all habitats, from human homes to wilderness areas. They reach the edge of Luna's territory, where they can see the wild spaces on one side and her human home on the other. Max promises to meet Luna in the wild spaces every day, and they agree that their unlikely friendship bridges two different worlds. With a final nuzzle, They part ways, returning to their separate lives, but forever changed by their friendship. Luna returns to her human doorstep, where her family welcomes her back, unaware of her wild adventures. Resolution. Final scene shows Luna looking out from her window at the wild spaces where she knows Max waits, ready for tomorrow's adventure.